Do, 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 do.
Hi guys, thought I'll make a quick video on an update on what is happening with the crypto market because I have so many friends and family panicking and message me and just say, what's going on? I'm gonna sell, I hate crypto, I should never trust the crypto, and Bitcoin is dead, and what should I do? Should I buy the dip? Should I wait for more? Do you think it's gonna go up more? Do you think it's gonna go down tomorrow? So I thought I might just make a quick video just so answer all of you guys, yeah? Shoo. So now you can see the Bitcoin price today is 37,000 US dollar and it's up, right? So now if you ask me what is gonna happen tomorrow, I don't know. I don't know crystal ball. I know the long term, I know the macro, I know what is the factor to make it up or down. I can see a bit of TA, I can look at the research. However, I still cannot tell you what is gonna happen tomorrow because, for example, like you have your favorite sports star or your favorite horse or something on the races or some kind of sport, football or something, right? Your favorite football person, he's fit and young and he won 20 matches in the past that never fail. Can you still guarantee he will win tomorrow at, I don't know, the point is like 74 to 38? No, right? So now we are living in a probability world. I can't really say that word, isn't it? Probability world. So the price in the short term can only go three ways: up, down, or sideways, bear, right? So the whole point of doing investing and researching is to remove your emotions out of the way and then look at the possibility. Okay, there is 50% chance it will go down tomorrow, 50% chance it will go up tomorrow. We don't know how much up or down. We don't know if it's going to be tomorrow or more. We don't know, but we know it's 50-50. So now it depending on what are you going to do? What is your strategy? Do you have your investment plan? And who are you? Identity of investing. Are you a day trader? Are you a long-term investor? Are you a gambler? Are you just listening to someone, people say, and then I'll speculate and I'll buy something, I don't care. I trust my friend or trust someone on the internet or trust someone with a blue hair, right? So number one, find out your attitude because it's different. If you're a trader, this is not the video for you. If you're a gambler, this is not a video for you. If you're a long-term investor, hopefully this video will help you clear your mind and unblock and then just look at the big picture, yeah? So let's take it in. Now, we have 50 and 50% up and down. So look here. Now, basically, what we are now, so the all-time high that was just a couple months ago was 69K. 69K, right? So right now, if we're gonna go up, you could go back to that all-time high, which is almost double. And how low can it go low? So now it's 37. All right, so we don't know. We're gonna look at trend line. Of course, we have resistance and support level. So we know nothing gonna go down to zero. That's for sure. There's nothing gonna zero tomorrow, right? So it's gonna go step. So maybe tomorrow 35 and the next day 32K, maybe the next day 29K. Not financial advice. I'm just saying, who knows? Maybe you work down for an hour for 22K. If that's the case, load on your truck, the financial advice. But I'm just saying, how low can you low? So we were just looking at historical chart. You basically have roughly 14% fall from now. So what you're focusing on is, oh my God, I'm so scared. Can I nail a 14% discount, knowing that you're already 50% discount from the all-time high, and knowing that Bitcoin's going to $1 million. Well, before it goes to $1 million, it's got 100K first. So if you know that Bitcoin is going to go to 100K, then right now, who cares 30K, 40K, 50K, 60K? You're still on discount when you look back from 100K point of view. Now you're looking back at, oh my God, it used to be 69, I feel so stupid point of view. That's a different mode, different mindset, different feeling, yeah? Now, if you ask me, how come you're so sure go to 100K? Then come to my mastermind because I don't have time to babysit you right now. But if you really scared, right? Number one, you probably shouldn't be investing if you're really scared, have no idea what you're doing, and then you have to guess, is tomorrow gonna go up or down? Or you panic sell and then buy it back higher. you probably shouldn't be an investor. You probably should go to casino because the chance is better. Or number two, you just risk too much right now. You are investing too much that you cannot afford to lose. So you're losing sleep right now. Or number three, you just haven't got education on the fundamental, the future, why is it happening. So for example, right, let's say if you eat rice or spaghetti, you know you love spaghetti, you know you're gonna eat rice, and you know that we have inflation is coming to 7%, and you know rice, like seriously, my ramen, right, I love noodle, right, and I remember used to be ramen was like $12, I think it was $10 and then $12 and then like $13.90 and then $14.90. Last week I went, it was $17.90. I'm like, what? I think that's more than 20% inflation, right? So if you know you're gonna need that thing, and the price is gonna go up and up, like I cannot eat 100 noodles today. I have to suck it up with the price increase, right? So if you know, let's say I can stock up noodle right now, I will stock up. If noodle tomorrow say to me like $9.99, I'll buy 100 pack in my house, right? Because I know I need it, right? If I know, let's say noodle now is $20, and then tomorrow it's half price to $10, will I cry? Will I cry and say, oh my God, I hate noodle, I'll never trust noodle again? No, I'll buy more because it's on discount, right? So this is why you don't have faith, you don't have trust, you don't have your research, you don't have your belief system, and you haven't done the fundamental, what are you doing investing? This is why you're panicking, right? But zoom out. If in doubt, just zoom out. Look here. Now, this is the Bitcoin chart in one line, right? So I love this chart. Every time I look at the market crashing and then everyone panicking, I always come back and give me some Zen. Oh, namaste. So now, what you're panicking here is this bit, this red bit. But anytime, any point in history, if you have bought Bitcoin, even at the peak of the peak, if you have held it for 4 years, you never lose money. This peak, never lose money. This peak, never lose money. Even you bought that 2017 peak, never lose money, right? So now, yes, if you bought to that peak, $69, this chart is not exactly because it's feeding different price in different exchanges. So if you look at the price, 69% K, and then now like half price, yeah, it happened a lot, probably 30 times every bull run. Like it happened a lot in the crypto world. So for us, like 50%, oh my God, sales, right? Because what you're scared is here. It's here, but you see it already higher than everywhere. Oh my God, oh, so lovely. Okay, now, if you're really scared, where are you gonna park your money? Just tell me, what are you gonna park your money? Now, you know that inflation is gonna go 6.8%, which is a fake number. You do know that, like, you don't really trust the government statistic, because if the government tell you it's going to be 15%, they're going to riot and protest out there. So the government cannot tell you the real number, right? We dig it in. So this 6.8 is from the CPI. I can't unpack here. Come to my mastermind or unpack for you. But just even if you trust their number, 6.8%, which is meant to be 2 or 3% a year inflation, right? That's double. So imagine if you put your cash in the bank doing nothing, you are just losing 7%, for sure. So if you're scared of losing 14%, maybe tomorrow, you could lose 7%, right? Now just look at the big picture again. Here. What is money again? What is money? The money fiat system, like the dollar. The dollar at the moment, I know this is America, like we're in Australia, but the same thing, they're printing money. So we are in a debt-based system. All our money right now is this big. This much money they printed. It's actually coming down. So the more this go down, the more our monies go to zero. When they change to CBDC, when they change to the digital currency, then they will reset the whole thing, maybe gold standard, Bitcoin standard, Ripple standard, I don't know which standard they're going to use. That's why you're going to hedge against. If you're all in cash, you're doomed. Look at Turkey. So now look, follow the money, right? Follow the money. This year, even like just now, the smart money, the whales still buying. They're still buying, right? So someone just bought another 18 million worth of Bitcoin, right? MicroStrategy bought yet again, like more Bitcoin, keep buying, right? So Smart money keep buying accumulation because they know that dollar is going to go down in value. Now, once again, zoom out. This screenshot, I'm so glad I took a screenshot. It was just December 2020, just 13 months ago. It was 20K. It was 20K. And then today's, right now, it's 37 and you're crying, right? It was 20K. And 2020 in March, it was 4K. And I just bought like in February. I just spent like 100K, roughly 10, 15K cost. And then the next month, it dropped to 4K, right? So I look at my 100K portfolio down to 4K, 40K. Did I panic? No, I was like, I wish I got more money. So at the moment right now, I actually wish I had more money. My biggest nightmare will be if Bitcoin go down even more, not just Bitcoin, but everything else. If everything else, because I have my watch list, I have my shopping list. So, Solana 94. Anyway, I'm so happy. See, my Binance when I bought it was 650. I'm not scared. I'm okay. Like I'm down half. I'm down half right now. Solana, I'm down half almost, right? Polkadot, I'm down, like, Cardano is okay. So, it's up and down. So you're going to zoom out and looking at your whole portfolio and what else, and if you're really scared, what else are you going to do? What else are you going to do? Is there something else that you think is going to give you either peace of mind? Like, for example, if holding cash, knowing in certainty is going to lose 7%, and you're happy with it because it's certainty, it gives you certain, then do it, right? But if you know that, crypto is basically growing, it's so small right now, it's only 2 trillion or less, like 1 trillion, 2, really small, and it's shrinking. So right now, probably gonna, I should check for you, shouldn't I? Oh dear, I'm gonna have a look. So yeah, Bitcoin, crypto, it's down. The whole thing is down. Ooh, it's a red day, shopping, not financial advice. But what we're heading right now is the stock market is crashing because of the Fed is thinking about maybe raise interest rate. So the market react badly towards an announcement. So the Fed haven't even raised interest rate. The market already crashing, and the Fed, the government, the senator, like a lot of inside trader, so many senators have stocks in the biotech, the vaccine, the tech stock, the Google, the Facebook. They are not gonna let the market crash. So now the market crashing and we're gonna wait. So I think America today, they're doing an announcement. So we're gonna wait for tomorrow and see what is going on with the meeting come out and what's the number. So if you're really scared, in doubt, hold tight, keep your cash. And then when you feel like this is your level of the price that you want to buy, then set your buy order at, if you think it's going to go to 10K, then sell it, right? If you really think it's going to go to 0, short it. You can short Bitcoin and still make money, right? But if you already bought it, if you're already in it, just hodl, just wait it out. It's fine. Like if you buy your house today and tomorrow crash, are you going to sell tomorrow? No, you're going to live in it. You need it. People need the house, right? So just wait, chill out, relax. It's a holiday today. Chill. Yeah, Chinese New Year. Come back. Mwah. Bye bye.